Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I prepare my chicken for my salad. So you want to go ahead and slice your chicken in half. And like that. And just add it to your bowl. Go ahead and do the same with the next one. I'm going to add some mustard, and I just kind of eyeball it until it's kind of all covered. Then I love this bouillon. It's a tomato bouillon. So also I don't use measuring spoons for this. You just kind of want to grab a good amount like this. Maybe a little more. I add a little bit of turmeric for color, not too much or else it's going to change the flavor, so just a little bit. I add onion powder, just add as much as you'd like. We don't measure around here. Black pepper. Garlic powder. And just a little bit of salt. And then go ahead and mix this well. You can use your hands, which is what I do. Okay, to a medium hot pan, I added a drizzle of olive oil and my chicken breast, and I'm going to cook them on each side. And then I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. So once the oil starts sizzling, I'm going to go ahead and cover this and let the chicken release all of its juice. Okay, and this is my chicken when it's all done. This is my mustard chicken. It is so good. You can serve this on salads or with rice or wraps, anything you'd like. It's a really good recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I just wanted to show you guys how we ate this mustard chicken tonight. We ate it on a salad, and this was so freaking good. So I used some Caesar dressing, some sunflower seeds, some mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan cheese. I was out of apples, but I typically chop up some apples, and we added a little bit of Parmesan crisps. And yeah, this is so good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. See you guys next time.